Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to create a simple loan EMI calculator which displays in the Indian currency. How much monthly we need to pay and number of periods in years and number of periods in months. Let's start the tutorial. Now let's change the loan amount, for example 50,000 only, and I click enter. See here, for 2 years we need to pay this much for 3%. If it's 10%, this is the amount for 2 years. If I add 5 years, see it's all updating. Yearly how much we need to pay, monthly how much installment. For 5 years of the loan period, this is the amount we need to pay.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I have created one new workbook. The workbook name is a Book 1 Excel. And notice, if you see in the Excel sheet, I have added one loan EMI calculator header. Now, let's start the tutorial here. What are the basic requirements to calculate the loan EMI? First, we require the loan amount. So, loan amount, we require the first loan amount. Rate of interest, we require rate of interest, and also monthly interest rate we require. Monthly interest rate, and number of years we need to pay. Number of years, the period. Number of years, period, and number of months. Number of months, period. And after that, I want to display, let me put this everything in the single column. Now here below, I want to display yearly how much I need to pay, yearly, monthly. That's it. This is the basic requirements we require. So let's put this in the middle, highlight this everything, put in the middle. And now the loan amount, for example, if a borrower take the 80,000, let me put this in the number format. Right click the mouse, format cell, numbers. I want to display the numbers, use 1000 separators, and decimals I have added 2 here. See, after dot we got 2 zeros here. That's it. Now let's click OK. Here we got in the number format 80,000 rupees. Here I want to display in the Indian currency. Now the rate of interest, for example, the rate of interest is 3%. And monthly interest rate, how much we need to calculate, is equals to rate of interest divided by 12 months, which is this much is the monthly interest rate, and number of years, for example 3 years, and number of months is equals to number of period into 12 months, which is 36 months we need to pay. Now how much monthly installment we have to pay based on this rate of interest, number of period, number of years period, number of months, and monthly interest rate for this 80,000 rupees loan. So here the calculator, the formula in Excel we have is equals to PMT function, which calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. So first it will take some parameters here. First notice here the rate here, monthly interest rate, this is G10, comma, after that number of years, this is the number of years into 12 months, comma, and the loan amount we require. That's it. These are the three requirements we need. And if you notice, once I click enter, by default it is displaying in the dollars, 2,326 rupees 50 cents, 2,326 dollars and 50 cents we need to pay. It's showing in the dollars by default. Now suppose, for example, if you change 2 years, it's updating. Notice that the number of months it's updating, as well as the monthly installments also is updating. Now my aim is I want to convert this into Indian rupees, how much you need to pay. So select the cell, right click the mouse, go to format cell. In the format cell, in the number tab under category, notice there is the accounting here. Click the accounting, and now we need to select the symbol here. The symbol here we'll get different country symbols here, currency symbols. We need to find the Indian symbol here. Scroll down up until we will get the Indian rupee. Notice here we got the Indian rupee. Here I have selected rupee symbol, Hindi. That's it. Click OK. And here we got the rupee symbol, and if you notice, it's showing in the negative, minus 3,438 rupees 50 paisa. Now what I'll do is, to remove this negative, we need to add before PMT function negative symbol, negative PM, minus symbol, enter. So here we got 3,438 rupees 50 paisa we need to pay every month. For example, if I pay for 5 years, enter. Notice here number of months is updated, and the amount also, monthly installment is updating for 80,000 rupees. If we change to 1 lakh, this is the amount we need to pay. For 2 months, 2 years, this is the amount we need to pay. Now here the yearly how much we need to pay is equals to month into 12. This is the amount we need to pay for yearly. For 2 years we need to pay 51,000, and next year 51,000, this much. And monthly, this is the monthly. I want to add this one on it. And now number of years we need to pay. For example, 2 years, how much we need to pay? Here I am calculating is equals to, the formula is concatenate for 2 years, for comma number of years. Here we require some space here, space, number of years, comma, double quotes, for 2 years, enter. See, for 2 years we got this much, and here is equals to G2 into yearly, sorry, for 2 years. This much amount we need to pay. Now let's change the loan amount, for example 50,000 only, and I click enter. See here, for 2 years we need to pay this much for 3%. If it's 10%, this is the amount for 2 years. If I add 5 years, see, it's all updating. Yearly how much we need to pay, monthly how much installment. For 5 years of the loan period, this is the amount you need to pay. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to calculate the loan EMI in Indian currencies. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.